What advantages does Shanghai LONGJOIN have? The first one, LONGJOIN focuses on the field of photocells with over 20 years of experience in manufacturing and sales. It is a national high-tech enterprise and a nationality recognized little gem enterprise in the specialized field. The second, LONGJOIN specialized in technological research and innovation with 17 patents and 9 copyrights, and continuously releases a series of intelligent products and has completed relevant certifications. Third, our products are designed and developed in strict accordance with international standards, and compared to top similar products abroad, we have a cost-effective advantage. Fourth, based on years of technical accumulation, we can quickly and efficiently meet various personalized customization needs. 5. The trademark registration covers major economies worldwide. The 6. The full range of products has passed mainstream target market quality and safety certifications and complies with environmental requirements such as UL, CE, RoHS, ISO 9001, FCC, CB, and so on. They are stably and continuously exported to Europe and American markets. The 7. Long-term partnerships with leading lighting companies such as Signify, GE Lighting, Idol Industries, Eaton, Cooper in Europe and America. 8. Our experienced formulary team will provide customers with comprehensive and reliable product solutions and excellent upsell service. I'm Stella. The above is an introduction to the advantages of our company. In the next video, we will take you on a tour of our production workshop and provide an overview of our production capacity. Please stay tuned and follow us. Goodbye.